After spending 20 years in the South Bronx, sharing stories and traditional recipes, Gustiamo shows no signs of slowing down.
I put it on afterwards. It gets a little bit burnt.
Yeah.
Today, the Bronx Italian importer celebrated its annual summer open warehouse.
We serve beautiful pizza made by a pizza maker from New Jersey and New York, very famous, very passionate, Jimmy Coponi. And we open the doors of our warehouse for shopping and tasting our beautiful products.
Gustiamo sells directly to consumers. They connect Italian food makers in Italy with foodies from our home borough and all over the world.
The target is really big. Usually we work with people who are interested in real Italian products, but this means that they could be like a second generation of Italians or just foodies.
The Gustiamo warehouse is open to the public for shopping only on Fridays from 2 to 4 p.m. For more information about their products and services, visit Gustiamo.com. Reporting for BronxNet, Ashley Tiffany.